Hey guys, it's me again. I'm gonna be doing some zippo videos on just zippo videos. Anyway, so for now I'm gonna do a trick tutorial, or a few I guess. And this first one is called the Twilight Zone. Oh. So that's pretty much it. And how you do that is, let's pretend, your wick is usually like this, but you want to tilt it so it's away, like kind of like that, so it's away from the flint wheel. Like this would be the flint wheel right here. That's where it has the flint wheel, and you want to tilt it away. And by doing that, when you pull the oxygen away from the top of the lighter, it gets caught under the wick. It's like burning under there, and then when you like that, or like if you snap, you just gotta move the lighter a bit, and the air pushes under the wick, pulls the flame back up. So I don't know if you can see that. Probably not, but that's what you do. So there's a few ways you can do it. You can do like, or like, it doesn't matter what way you light it. It's just not possible. And there's a lot of ways to do it. Okay, so thanks for watching.